Hey, my name is Farhana Cannon, and I'm a global social media and brand expert and the founder of iMedia Exposure. I'm going to show you how to create admins on your Facebook page. And this means somebody that can manage your Facebook page. You don't want to give them your personal login information to your personal Facebook. So what you'll do is go to your business page, top right hand corner, click onto settings. Then you will go to the left here and it will say page roles. Click on that. And then you are going to type in somebody's name. You want to make sure that they're friends with you on Facebook first. You can add them as an admin, that's the highest level, editor, moderator, advertiser. That's if somebody's just going to manage your ads. Analyst, if you want them just to see your back end analytics and they can't actually post or do anything, or you can customize it. We're going to leave that on editor. You add, then you are going to type in your Facebook password, so make sure to have that up. And then there you go. It's on there and it's pending.